everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you're watching me from right now. You are welcome to Chef Diamond's Kitchen. For those of you that are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Success Oduna Idemudia, also known as Chef Diamond. Today I will be sharing how to make tortilla shawarma bread. Since I shared that shawarma recipe, a lot of people have been requesting for it. Sister Diamond, how did you make the bread? How did you make the bread? So today I will be sharing it with you guys. It's also simple with simple ingredients. Let's make this together, shall we? This is called tortilla bread, popularly known as shawarma bread. It is very easy to make and very easy to store. We store this in the fridge or in the freezer. Heat it up whenever you want to use it. You can use this for your sausage and you can use this to make your shawarma. Keep watching if you want to see how I make this. In this bowl, I have 400 grams of flour, a tablespoon of yeast, half teaspoon of salt, and a cup of milk. I will add the salt, the yeast, and the milk into this bowl, and I'm going to work together with my hands. After working for a while, we are going to sprinkle some flour on the baking board and work together to get a very good dough. Please note, never allow your dough to be too sticky or hard. We will cover this with a clip film and allow rest for 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes I checked again, the dough was ready to work well again. I sprinkle another flour on my baking board and work very well till combine. Then I will roll it up and cut it into 4 parts. After that, I will cut that different parts into 2 parts again. This will give me 8 dough. Then I will use my hands to work them one after the other. We are going to work this together. Then we are going to cover it with a piece of clean cloth and allow rest again for about 5 to 6 minutes. And after that, we are going to start working this dough circular in shape with the help of our rolling pin and the help of our flour for it not to get sticky to our baking board. We are going to continue this process till we finish working all the dough. After we have finished making this, we are going to start heating them up. I have placed my frying pan on the fire and allow heat, lowering the heat. Then I will be cooking the both sides, heating them up for about 2 minutes, 1 minute both sides. If you are eating this immediately, you can wait for about 3 to 4 minutes. But if you want to store, we are going to cook it half done, meaning we are going to heat both parts for about just 2 minutes. Both parts 1 minute each. And after doing this, our shawarma bread is ready. It's so delicious. Like this is half done, guys. You can save this in the freezer by just covering with your clip film. Whenever you want to make your shawarma or your sausage rolls, you can just heat it up again and make your shawarma. Then it will be ready. This is how I make the shawarma I shared a week ago. If you want to see how I make this shawarma again, click on the link below and see for yourself. You are going to love the recipe. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.